When I did the study on betrayal, one of the most important aspects of healing is support. Unfortunately, a lot of people get support from people who don't get it, they don't understand, they haven't been there, the support keeps them stuck, they just commiserate together, on and on and on. So the PBT Institute has the right type of support that helps lift and inspire. But then I realized, I was like, a lot of people are tired of being online. So we just launched last week a certification to become a certified PBT, post-betrayal transformation support group host. It is so exciting because we are going to have support group hosts popping up all over the country, eventually all over the world. And the beauty is you don't have to be a coach or a healer or a doctor or a therapist, a counselor, like you have to do to be a certified PBT coach or practitioner. You just have to have a big heart and want to hold space. And here's a little kind of hack too. When you're representing the work, it forces you to do the work. So I just posted a blog post about it today, and I am so excited to have these groups popping up all over. And I know I'm going to be popping into all these groups. We already had our first, we just launched it. We already had our first support group host in Canada and one in the US, and they're going to be all over. So if you want to be the first one in your state, in your country, get started. And because it's brand new, use code HOST50 for 50% off of certification. I'm only doing this for a little bit, only until I see, a decent amount of exciting amount of hosts all over, and then I'm going to stop it. So if it feels like a fit for you where you want to, and we're going to teach you exactly how to get your group up and running, and we're going to help market your group, all of it. I'll put you on the podcast, highly rated, within the top 1.5%. We're globally ranked. So if you want to get yourself out there, help other people in a way that is very different, in person, because we need that connection, like-minded people, and all working towards healing. Take a look at that blog post that I posted today about becoming a certified PBT support group host. We are so excited about it within the PBT Institute, and I just know these groups are going to be helping so many people. I hope that helps.